Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off the app drawer, which is this, on your Poco phone. You can either have the classic mode, which won't have the app drawer, so it will just have all of the apps that you have installed on the home screen. Or you can have the app drawer, so on the home screen will be selected apps, the ones that you place here, and all of the apps that you have will be shown in the app drawer. And to do it, go to the settings, then go to home screen. Now find home screen and you can set it to classic or with app drawer. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.